I don't know if I should wear a coat or not, it depends on the weather. The weather forecast said it was going to rain, but it turned out to be sunny. I love the warm weather, but my husband prefers the cold. The weather can be unpredictable, so it's always good to be prepared. The weather was so nice that we decided to have a picnic in the park. I can't believe how cold it is outside. I didn't dress for this kind of weather. The weather was so hot that we had to turn on the air conditioning. I can't stand the humidity, it makes the weather feel so oppressive. The weather is so much better here than it was in my hometown. I'm not a fan of cold weather, I much prefer the warmth of summer. The weather is such an important factor when it comes to planning outdoor events. The weather was so perfect that we spent the whole day at the beach. I can't wait for the weather to warm up so I can start gardening again. The weather changed so quickly that I wasn't sure what to wear. I hope the weather stays nice for our camping trip this weekend. Please subscribe.